Most creators publish one article a week. I just published 40. In one day that I used to spend 6 hours writing a single post. Editing. Formatting. Nothing ever got done. I was drowning in a calendar that never moved. Then I built CogCloud. An AI that writes, edits, and publishes on autopilot. No templates. No prompts. Just my style. Scaled them. My output hit 40 articles today. Cost per piece dropped to 0. One person, 5 websites, 0 extra hires. That I'm not a tech genius. I'm just a publisher who finally stopped being a bottleneck. If I can do this, you can too. Want the full system? Start free. No credit card needed. This video was auto-generated by CogCloud AI.